Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you that how to create a Mother's Day banner. So I'm not using any app, but I am creating in the editor of Redmi 90 gallery. First of all, you have to take a blank picture, click on the camera, put your mobile on a surface to create a blank picture and click in. Okay, so now go to your gallery, select this picture, click on this edit icon, go to stickers. These are all the stickers which are present in the Redmi 90 gallery editor, which are free to use. I will select this second one, category, and select the sticker, adjust it, select any other decorations if you want to. Okay, and now I will go to the first one, category, and select this whole shiny stick, and I will place it here. Any other sticker if you want to, like this one. I will not place it because the main Mother's Day sticker will not look nice. This is looking simple and cute. Any other if you want to add, or you don't want to use this style or this idea which I tell you, you can use yours of yourself. Click on this tick icon, click on save, and this card is ready. This is for now. Hopefully
you can like it. Bye audience.